It's a nice winter we're having this spring, huh? Guys, this is the second time it has snowed today. We woke up to about 2 inches of snow. It all melted off, and now it's starting to snow again. That's how it is here in Colorado. Anyway, we have another What's Old video for you today. I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy and Reese, and yeah, we're gonna follow Kathy around and see what's old for us today.
Hey guys, we're starting with eBay AD. So this Nike kids hoodie, this I bought for my son from TJ Maxx. It was on their clearance, so I paid $12, but I sold it for $19.95 plus shipping. He never got a chance to wear it, so making a very small profit and all my money back on that. So BI. These are some Mephisto sandals from the Denver Bins, part of the stimulus check challenge. Those sold for $32 plus shipping. That's what I sent an offer to a watcher. So I have about $1 and some change into them. So really good sale there. AT. Sold these little Joe's Mo Walker boots. I think I had them listed at 20 plus ship. Someone messaged asking if I do 15. And I just said, yeah, I've had them listed a few months. So normally I can get about 20 out of them. But I was happy with 15. I did pay $3 for them, so around a $10 profit there. And then AV. Sold this Realtree hoodie, also part of the stimulus check challenge from the Denver Bins. This sold for 15 plus ship. That was an offer I had sent out, so again about $1 into 15. BH. Oh, this is actually going out to, let me find it. Oh, there it is. I'm looking for the wrong item in the wrong box. So this is actually going out to a viewer. She didn't say it this time, but she's bought from us several times. So Lisa, thank you so much. She bought this and one other thing. So these are some Bear Bradley makeup little cases. And then AB. Some men's Wrangler jeans. So these actually both came from the bins as well, part of the stimulus check challenge. So between the two, I probably have about $3 total, and she purchased them for $27.50 plus shipping, and then I did just send her partial refund on that shipping because she paid a little more than I needed to spend.
Thank you for the support, Lisa.
Yeah, thank you so much. All right, Poshmark sales, AJ. Right, this is something I've had since like 2019. I thought it was gonna sell well, it just didn't. The brand is Braemar. It's just it was 100% wool, like a grandpa sweater cardigan. And at the time, those were really popular. I'm not sure if they really still are, but yeah, I bought it for $2 at an estate sale. Listed it originally for like $35, kept dropping the price. Finally today, 2 years later, I get an offer of $12 and they can have it. So $12, you know, I make like $9.05 minus the $2. So you can do the math.
Yeah.
But glad to see it go. And then box L. This is a fun little dress. So I got this at what is it called? Nordstrom Rack. It was part of Clear the Rack sale. So excuse me, it was priced all the way down to $5. So it's like, I don't normally pick up this brand. It hasn't sold well for me, but it was so shiny and pretty, and it was only $5. So I knew I could make something off of it.
Almost looks like a mermaid or something. Mermaid scales.
I found a nice stock photo, and yeah, it looked really pretty on the model. So anyways, it finally sold. I've had it since September, and I sent out offers to Likers today for $23 with discounted shipping. So not huge money, but probably like a $9-10 profit there. All right, AK. These are some Mercari sales. So these girls' Crocs for $17 plus ship. I have $6.56 into them from the JBF sale since we averaged the cost of goods. And then AO. This is something I just cross-listed this morning and pretty much got an offer instantly. I listed it high just because I knew people liked this pattern. It's Hannah Anderson It's something that was my son's pajamas. I bought them off Kidizen, I think for $25. I ended up accepting an offer of $27 plus shipping, so made almost all my money back off those, and he wore them several times. Alright, and then last sale is in box V. Alright, so this is a Tommy Bahama men's, it's a reversible pullover. I've had this forever, way over a year. I've dropped the price several times. Finally cross-listed it to Facebook Marketplace and it sold in just a couple days. So $15 plus shipping is what I got for it. I had $2 into it from Salvation Army, so glad to see it go. But yeah, that's it so far for today.
That's what we got right now. So we're gonna go ahead and pack this all up and we'll be right back. All right, got everything packed up. So have you guys ever had one of those days where you just, no matter how hard you try, you just cannot motivate yourself? I don't know. It seems like we're both kind of having one of those days today. Usually, if we have one of those days, the other's there to motivate us. And yeah, today, I don't know. Today's just off. We both really had a hard time getting up to work. I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. Yeah, I still got a lot to list, but I haven't listed a single thing today, only cross-listing.
Yeah.
But I have 60 drafts ready to go, and I just can't, I'm not in the mood to
we're
list
just
them.
not in the mood. I mean, we did actually get the office nice and cleaned up. We reorganized or restocked some boxes, so we've done some stuff, but not the stuff that we need to be doing. So it's that work that we're using to avoid the work that we really need to get done. Yeah, we didn't get any listings up yesterday or Sunday. Sunday was Mother's Day. And yeah, we're hoping to at least get some up today. I think that won't be an issue, just to get some up. Maybe that'll help motivate us for the rest of the day. It's just weird. Last week we had such a great week. We were like super pumped for this week. And the beginning is just, I don't know, it's a rough start for us. I'm sure we'll figure it out and get it all taken care of. But yeah, this video ended up being a little bit shorter than usual, so we're just gonna go ahead and start talking about tomorrow's What Solds. All right, guys, we're back. It is Wednesday afternoon. Side Guy's laid down for a nap, and we have some sales to pick for today. So Kathy's got her Post-it note ready, and we're gonna see what we sold.
All right, let's just start with Posh, because I have these here, so... Well,
drop the sticky.
These are some J. Crew jeans that I've had forever. I had pulled them out to put in the garage sale pile, and then I hadn't deleted them from any of the platforms yet, so I sent offers to Likers on Posh of $8 with discounted shipping, so that means I make $3.55, but yeah, they weren't going to sell otherwise, so I took it. I've had these for 2, maybe more years, and I paid $2 for them at an estate sale, so I didn't lose money, but I'm just glad to see them go, so yeah.
Is that French fry money, or is that
That's like
coffee? That's like
that's like maybe a cone with
that's like free refill money right there.
All right, and then
Oh, we're happy to get it gone and get that money back out of it at least.
Yeah, better than we donating. So these are those Good American jeans that I just showed in our recent haul, and I listed them for $100, which was reaching, but comps were sort of all over the place, mostly in the, I'd say $70 to $100 range. So I just went at $100, and then I accepted a $69 offer. So I paid $7.99 for them, so really good sale there.
Very quick too.
Yes. Somebody also offered on the shorts today. If you're a viewer, I countered, and they just haven't, they haven't countered back or declined, or most likely they're just ignoring, which is fine. That's what most people do.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not that I regret not taking it. It was a $60 offer on the shorts, but comps the shorts were new. They retail for like $139 or $129, I think, which, I don't know. People on my Instagram were telling me they've sold used ones at $60, even like with a good amount of wear. So
right.
I don't know. Since they've only been listed like not even a full day, I'll just wait. I'm positive I'll get another $60 offer at the very least, so I'm going to hold off for a while and hope to get closer to the $80 mark on those. But yeah. Then again, that was probably my best sale today, those Good American jeans, so it's hard to like say no to a pretty good offer like $60, but it's just like, I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta hold out, I guess.
Yeah.
Then I feel a little greedy too because I don't know. I'm just trying to go with what comps say. So we'll see.
Or at least close to it, right?
Yeah.
You know, I know sometimes we get higher value for some things than others, but sometimes we let things go for less than others too. So it's just how it is.
So this is just my son's shirt. It's Riley and Crew. It says Daydream Believer. And I purchased this off Kidizen for $18. He wore it and I sold it for $25 on Posh. So I made all my money back on that. And then eBay, so AM. Sold one of these Tommy Bahama dresses for $16.33 plus shipping. I have just over $3 in for those. And then AF.
Right here.
This is the brand Winter Water Factory. So it's a good kids brand to look out for. It's like organic cotton. They have really cute prints like this. And this I got off ThreadUp again just to spend my credit that I had with them. So I did pay $12.99 for it and it sold for $21.57 plus shipping. So not huge money, but making my money back. And then BW. Oh, this is something I've had for well over a year. So really glad to see them go. These are just some Adidas shoes. I forgot what the model was called, but yeah. I got these at Plato's Closet on like a 90% off sale. So average cost of goods that day was $2.22. So that's what I have into them. And I finally got $15 plus shipping, so.
All right.
Yeah. See you later, Adidas. All right, and then we have, oh, these next two are both in box V. So one's Facebook. This is the Facebook sale. It's some Polo Ralph Lauren boys Madras shorts. And I got these also off ThreadUp. I paid $10.50 for them. These I bought specifically for my son. He probably wore them once, and I sold them on Facebook for $10 plus shipping. So not making all my money back, but most of it. They do have like a big stain on the bottom, which I disclosed, but I was happy to just make any money back because of that. And then same box. Right, this is going out to a viewer named Ashley, and she's purchased from us before. So Ashley, thank you so much. This is Riley and Crew. It's a cute little fox hoodie. I believe I bought this off Kidizen, but I don't remember. I don't want to scroll through all my purchases. So I don't remember what I paid for it, and I don't even think we got around to wearing it, but I sold it to Ashley for $22.50 plus shipping. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for the support, Ashley. Continued support.
Yes.
Thank you. Hope you enjoy your purchase.
And then L. All right. These are some Berkeys. We could pick these up in Nebraska. I did pay $15 for them, and I accepted a $37 offer plus shipping, so about doubling my money on those. And then AO. I thought those Berkeys would sell a lot quicker, but what am I looking for? Patagonia. This is just a Patagonia kids fleece. This was purchased from a friend off Kidizen. I purchased it from a friend, and I think I bought it from her for like $35 plus shipping, and then I sold it on Mercari. My son wore it a few times. I don't think it'll fit him next fall, so I let it go for $43 plus ship, so probably breaking close to even on that. And yeah, that's all we've had today so far.
All right, so we're gonna pack this stuff up, and then we'll get right back with you guys. All right, guys, we got all packed up, did a little bit of work. It's been probably about an hour now. Actually, Reese decided to come up and visit us and hang out. I don't think he's been feeling well today, so he's been kind of avoiding us.
This is how he lays around every day anyway. So.
Let's see, Reese.
It's like very tired.
You okay? You feeling okay? All right, be a good boy. Well, we did have one other sale come in.
Unbox here. So these are some H&M kids jeans. These were from my son's closet. I don't remember where I got them, probably Kidizen, but I accepted a $15 plus shipping offer on Mercari. I would guess I paid no more than $12 to begin with for them, so I probably made all my money back. I did want to say, so somebody offered me, like while we were recording the first half of the video, someone offered me $14, but I didn't see it. And then because Mercari, it alerts anybody who liked your item that somebody sent an offer. And even the amount that they offered. So somebody came up to $15 and offered that. So
that's cool.
Obviously I accepted the $15 offer, but yeah, that's just something that you can, like if you get an offer, you can wait a little bit to accept, see if anyone else will make an offer. Posh does the same thing now, except it doesn't tell you the price that someone offered. It just says someone made an offer on this item. So I have a hard time waiting. On Posh, people can like cancel their offer for a certain amount of time. So usually I try to accept right away if I'm going to accept. Mercari, they can't really cancel an offer, but they can like block you, which cancels out their offer, or they could like take their method of payment away or whatnot.
There's like workarounds, loopholes.
Yeah, so anyways, maybe just wait a few minutes, see if anyone else comes in with a better offer. Otherwise, if they're gonna accept. So yeah, $15, not too bad.
Yeah, so yesterday we were not too motivated to get much done. Today we've been a little bit better. Still kind of, I don't know, in a weird funk, I guess. But Kathy did manage to get, what, 10 listings up?
Yeah, and I plan to do more.
Yesterday, and then tonight you're going to do more.
Pile. Yeah, Chris goes to his friends on Wednesdays, so I
just drafted a bunch of stuff for her.
I like to work while he's gone, after the kids go to bed, so yeah, I'm sure I'll get at least 10 more up before the end of the day.
Yeah. So far right now, $10 or 10 listings at $320. Yesterday, 10 listings for $510. And like Kathy said, she likes to lay in bed, watch some YouTubers or TV, probably something about murder mystery or I don't know, some kind of true crime stuff. But yeah, that's what she's going to be doing tonight. I'm going to go say hi to some friends, and that's what we've got on our plates today. So I think that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.